Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix the TikTok profile view option not showing. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and then go to your profile. Now tap on menu on your top right. Go to settings and privacy. Now go to privacy. On scrolling down, you'll find the option of profile views. Tap on it. Keep in mind that this feature is not available in some regions yet, so wait until TikTok launches this feature in your country. Next, exit TikTok and go to your mobile settings. Then go to General. Here tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and tap to open TikTok from the list. Tap on Offload app. Then confirm the offload app. Now select Reinstall app. This may get rid of some bugs and unnecessary data that TikTok may have, and that may be the reason the profile views option is not showing. If it didn't fix your problem, then go to the App Store. Here, search for TikTok. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. But if your problem is still not fixed, go to the TikTok application. Go to your profile. Tap on Save to save this option. Now tap on these three lines. Here, go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Free Up Space. Here, clear the cache memory. Also, clear the downloads. Then, go to your profile. Here, you'll have this icon with the sign of footstep. Tap on it. As you can see, your profile view option has been fixed. You will be able to see its history here. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.